Have you ever heard of a rare medicinal herb known as the gold of medicine? A miraculous mushroom that grows on the cold mountains of Tibet. This isn't just any mushroom. Cordyceps symbolizes nature's power, a precious gem treasured by the Tibetan people as if it were gold. Just the name itself is captivating. Cordyceps, a mysterious organism that grows on the bodies of tiny larvae, emerging only in the summer to reveal its essence. This isn't merely a mushroom. It's a fascinating story of survival, where a small insect accepts its role as a host so that Cordyceps can flourish. From its very first sprout, Cordyceps tells a gripping tale that draws not only scientists but also all nature lovers enchanted by its wonders. Perhaps you're wondering, can such a unique fungus be cultivated and replicated in a controlled environment? And what exactly makes it such a highly sought-after medicinal herb? Join me on this journey as we uncover the process of cultivating this green gold, from the earliest preparations to the moment these mushrooms bloom and are ready for harvest. This journey demands patience, precision, and an unwavering passion. Unlike most other crops, Cordyceps requires extraordinarily strict conditions to grow successfully. Every factor, temperature, humidity, and even light, must be precisely controlled. Mushroom farmers must constantly monitor, adjust, and ensure the temperature remains between 18 and 20 degrees Celsius, cold enough to prevent the fungus from wilting, while providing the optimal level of moisture so the fungus can absorb nutrients without contamination. Imagine, each day at dawn, the mushroom farmers check each cultivation tray, measure humidity, adjust the light. A single small mistake could ruin the entire process. This isn't merely work, it's a journey of patience and dedication for those who love the craft, striving to produce the highest quality Cordyceps possible. The Cordyceps cultivation process starts with a critical component, the spores. Choosing high-quality spores is like selecting the best seeds for a crop. Every detail matters. Cordyceps farmers, often scientists or highly trained specialists, carefully select spores with the potential to thrive under strict conditions. To prepare these spores, farmers work within a completely sterile lab environment. Every tool, from petri dishes to gloves, must be spotless and free from contaminants. Just a single speck of dust can introduce bacteria, jeopardizing the entire mushroom batch. These Cordyceps spores are delicate and require a nutrient-rich environment to begin their growth. Once the high-quality spores are ready, the next step is inoculating them into a nutrient medium, a process requiring absolute precision. Farmers carefully place each spore into a sterile environment, where it will grow and form the initial cells. Interestingly, even at this first stage, the spores must be shielded from bacteria and outside elements. Just one dust particle could contaminate the entire tray, halting growth. This moment is crucial, as the future of Cordyceps depends on the meticulously prepared environment. From here, the fungi will be monitored daily as each branch gradually takes shape, reflecting the dedicated care of the farmers. Cordyceps is not an easy crop to care for. For the farmers, each cultivation tray is like a family member that needs daily attention. At dawn, when the light is just right, the growers enter the room, check humidity levels, adjust the temperature, and address any signs of abnormalities. They understand that even the smallest oversight could turn months of work into thin air. These farmers aren't just growing mushrooms, they're protectors, companions to each tiny mushroom. With every passing day and every hour, They pour their love and attention into each Cordyceps branch. Cordyceps is not an easy crop to care for. For the farmers, each cultivation tray is like a family member that needs daily attention. At dawn, when the light is just right, the growers enter the room, check humidity levels, adjust the temperature, and address any signs of abnormalities. They understand that even the smallest oversight could turn months of work into thin air. These farmers aren't just growing mushrooms, they're protectors, companions to each tiny mushroom. With every passing day and every hour, they pour their love and attention into each Cordyceps branch. The story of Cordyceps isn't just about a unique mushroom. It's the journey of those who pour their hearts, passion, and patience into cultivating a precious medicinal resource. For them, every Cordyceps branch is a testament to the miracles of nature and the strength of human will. I hope that through this story, you've gained a new perspective on Cordyceps, not merely as a medicinal mushroom, but as a symbol of dedication and discovery. This journey is unending, as there is always more to explore about this precious gift from nature.